Whales actively pursue novel opportunities. Polkadot and dollar borrowed Rho garner momentum, despite Ripple XRP decline, despite the difficulties encountered by XRP. There is a notable shift in emphasis toward Polkadot and borrow dollar Rho that have gained significant momentum and captivated the attention of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Rho and DOT are prominent entities on the cryptocurrency market that represent rising assets that appeal to a student investor seeking to capitalize on the imminent increase in digital asset wealth. Rho is experiencing heightened interest from significant investors, also known as whales, who are actively purchasing shares. Borrow the dollar ticker symbol Rho is a nascent entity that is gaining significant traction within the Web3 ecosystem. The use of blockchain and AI in this dynamic marketplace fundamentally transforms the means by which content providers and organizations can obtain financial resources in an environment where traditional financial solutions are insufficient to meet the needs of Web3 companies. Borrow is taking initiative with the audacious goal of granting enterprises immediate access to funds, thus bridging the gap between innovation and financial resources. The dollar was sold in advance. The Rho cryptocurrency has attracted the attention of forward-thinking investors. Currently, Stage 1 is in progress with a modest price of $0.0125 per return on equity. Rho token the antecedent beta stage, which was priced at 1 cent per token, sold out quickly. This has generated a great deal of excitement as the beginning of Stage 2 approaches, in which the cost of acquiring $1 worth of tokens will increase. Rho is 0.015, and the presale of Endeavor has the potential to be exhilarating, allowing perceptive investors to acquire a stake in Borrow's innovative vision for the Web3 ecosystem. Borrow the dollar ticker symbol Rho is at the forefront of spearheading Web3's impending financing phase. The resilience of Borrow extends beyond the dollar's promising price. Gold Coin, the team responsible for the development of Borrow, possesses a significant amount of expertise and knowledge, which they contribute to the platform. The project is led by Michael Price, a former vice president of AXI.com, and Maxim Prishtempo, a blockchain specialist with expertise in a number of aspects of cryptocurrency trading platforms and distributed data storage. The borrower innovation has a substantial impact and significance. A novel framework has been introduced by the application of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology to risk assessment and revenue stream lending. The convergence of non-fundable tokens, NFTs, and artificial intelligence, AI, is an extraordinary technological development with significant implications for the Web3 ecosystem. Dollars token economics Rho, which serves as the foundation for Borrow's innovative ecosystem, has a limited supply of 1 billion tokens, making it an extremely rare asset on the market. The Rho tokens are the means of access to loans. Thriving marketplace enabling users to utilize advanced analytics, receive prioritized customer service, and participate in the governance of the network. In addition to the currency, Rho tokens grant access to prices and incentives, such as the chance to take part in the marketplace is unique. This increases its desirability as a transactional instrument and dynamic asset that enables participants to actively interact and thrive within the Web3 ecosystem. Borrow showcases a comprehensive strategy for guaranteeing security and dependability. Addressing every facet in full, the smart contract audit performed by Block Audit demonstrates the platform's commitment to security and transparency. The address of the smart contract for obtained $Rho is accessible to the public, thus demonstrating their commitment to transparency. Borrow is currently engaged in efforts to comply with existing regulatory frameworks and is anticipating the dynamic nature of cryptocurrency governance. The commitment to compliance with regulations establishes a novel precedent. Benchmark within a market that occasionally exhibits characteristics resembling an unregulated market. In turbulent conditions encircling XRP, more frontier investors are purchasing DOT tokens in addition to XRP for Polkadot, a project conceived by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the founders of Ethereum. Due to its innovative approach to facilitating blockchain interoperability, Garner has garnered a great deal of attention. As more initiatives leverage its capabilities, the expanding potential of Polkadot's network becomes ever more apparent. The current valuation of DA at $5 indicates a substantial amount of potential, prompting investors to closely monitor its upward trend. Ripple. The financial technology company in charge of XRP has successfully navigated a challenging environment characterized by legal disputes and regulatory examination. On July 13, Ripple achieved a favorable outcome in its legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission section. However, the market's reaction has been more muted than anticipated. According to the analysis conducted by Trader SC, a well-known analyst in the field, 0.632775 represents a decrease of 11 over the past 2 weeks. It is anticipated that XRP will face additional difficulties in the next 4 weeks. The forecast asserts that the price of XRP will rise. May experience a significant decline reaching as low as $0.4479. The outlook for XRP is unsettled as investors navigate broader market changes and actively seek out sustainable investment opportunities. Despite prevalent uncertainty encircling XRP, the emphasis shifts to borrow dollars pioneering contributions. Rho and Polkadot in Web3 territory. What will Bitcoin cost? There are indications of bearish momentum, according to the top group. As Bitcoin has been falling below the 50-day exponential moving average since it passed the $29.250 threshold. If Bitcoin breaches the $29.250 threshold, the trend for the day could worsen. Currently, divergence MACD indicates a bearish outlook, which reinforces this. Currently observed Bitcoin has a lot of support near $29,250, and a close below this level could be a sign that it's time to sell short. When it comes to the limits of how low Bitcoin can go, the closest support is near $29,000. If the BTC price fell below this mark, it could be a sign that it's time to sell short. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business.